So this has just come through the post. My new hard drive by Lacie. Rugged USB-C, 2 terabytes, Thunderbolt 3 whatever it says there. All-terrain bus-powered storage, which doesn't mean anything to me. But let's have a look at it. Trying to rip it open with one hand. We're in. Let me put you up so you can see me getting into it. Let's have a look. That'll work. Bit dark. Let's try and get some light. Oh! That's pretty cool actually. Oh, that feels really nice. So with that we get some redemption instructions, Adobe Creative Cloud, blah blah blah. See what else we get in the box. Alright. Get 2 cables. One is a USB. Oh, I don't even know if my Mac will accept these lightning ports. So it's only got these lightning USB ports. That's better lighting, isn't it? Let's have a quick look on my Mac. Is that a lightning port? No. This isn't no good. So can you turn it around for a second? You found it on YouTube. My missus listening. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh, maybe we might be able to use this USB. Let's go check the... Let's go see if this thing has got a lightning port.